Welcome to physics class. Good morning, everyone. My dear students, today we are going to discuss about another important topic. This topic is difference between electromagnetic wave and matter wave. Difference between electromagnetic wave and matter wave. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the introduction of electromagnetic wave. As we noted, electromagnetic waves are those waves where electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other. Okay, and the propagation, the direction of propagation of electromagnetic wave is the direction of perpendicular direction of electric field and magnetic field. Okay, so electromagnetic wave introduction. Electromagnetic wave magnetic wave electromagnetic wave is those wave which electric field and magnetic field perpendicular to each other other. The direction of electromagnetic wave, the direction of propagation of electromagnetic wave is the direction of is the perpendicular direction of electric field and magnetic field. Okay. Introduction. Electromagnetic waves are those waves which electric field and magnetic field perpendicular to each other, and the direction of propagation of electromagnetic wave is the perpendicular direction of electric field and magnetic field. The diagram is like this. Graphical representation of electromagnetic wave is, so suppose this is x coordinate and this is y and this is z. E electric field, this is magnetic field, and this is electric field, and this is electric field, this is magnetic field, and this is magnetic field. Okay, so this is the graphical representation of electromagnetic wave. This is electromagnetic wave. Okay, now we are going to discuss about matter wave. Matter wave according to de Broglie every moving particle associated with wave. This wave is called matter wave or de Broglie wave or de Broglie wave. Okay, so suppose this is matter particle, and this is wavelength between two trough. Okay, so matter wave according to de Broglie is every moving particle associated with wave, and this wave is called matter wave. So suppose this is a particle, and when this particle moves one place to another place, then a wave associated with this particle, this wave is called matter wave. Okay, now we are going to discuss about distinguish between electromagnetic wave and matter wave. Distinguish between electromagnetic wave and matter wave. Okay. Okay, now we are going to discuss about difference between electromagnetic wave and matter wave. Our first difference is electromagnetic wave is associated with electric field and magnetic field, and the direction of propagation of electromagnetic wave is the perpendicular direction of electric field and magnetic field. On the other hand, matter wave is not associated with electric field and magnetic field. This is simple associated with particle. This is only associated with moving particles. Okay, so this is our first difference. Electromagnetic wave is associated with electric field and magnetic field. The direction of propagation of electromagnetic wave is the perpendicular direction of electric field and magnetic field. It means that, as we know that electromagnetic waves, we can define when electric field comes in contact with magnetic field or magnetic field comes in contact with electric field, then electromagnetic wave will be produced. Okay, and electromagnetic wave is depend on two field respectively. One is called electric field and the other is called magnetic field. In the case of matter wave is not associated with the electric field and magnetic field. This is only associated with a moving particle. Now we are going to discuss second difference between electromagnetic wave and matter wave. Electromagnetic wave magnetic waves are produced due to acceleration of charge. Acceleration of charge. On other hand, matter wave is produced due to motion of particle. Okay, so this is the second difference between electromagnetic wave and matter wave. According to this difference, electromagnetic waves are produced due to acceleration of charge. As we know that when charge accelerated, then electromagnetic wave will be produced, and matter wave is produced due to motion of a particle, according to de Broglie hypothesis. Okay, number 3 difference between them. Number 3, electromagnetic wave propagated in vacuum. Medium is not required. The propagation of electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave propagated in vacuum or traveled in vacuum medium is not required the propagation of the electromagnetic wave. In the case of matter wave, cannot travel wells in vacuum. Medium is required for the propagation of matter wave. So this is the third basic difference between electromagnetic wave and matter wave. Electromagnetic wave propagated in vacuum, it means that electromagnetic wave can be traveled in a vacuum. Medium is not required for the propagation of the electromagnetic wave. In the case of matter wave, on the other hand, we can say that matter wave cannot travel in vacuum. That means medium must be required for the propagation of matter wave. Number 4 difference between them. The speed of all electromagnetic waves are same or constant. That is, this is equal to C equal 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. But in the case of matter wave, the speed of matter waves are not same. That is, matter wave travels with different velocities. Next difference between them. Number 5. Electromagnetic wave can be radiated into space or emitted. But matter waves neither radiated into space nor emitted from particle. This is only associated with moving particles. Next difference between electromagnetic wave and matter wave. Number 6. The wavelength of electromagnetic wave is very large from the relation lambda equal c by nu or lambda equal h by mc. From this equation we can say that the wavelength of electromagnetic wave is very large. Okay, and in the case of matter wave, the wavelength of matter wave is okay. The wavelength of matter wave is very short from the given relation lambda equal h by mb. So this is number 6 difference between electromagnetic wave and matter wave. Our last difference between them, the concept of electromagnetic wave is introduced by James Clerk Maxwell. But the concept of matter wave introduced by de Broglie. So these are the basic difference between electromagnetic wave and matter wave. For your better understanding, I am going to repeat something. Okay, electromagnetic waves are those waves where electric field and magnetic field perpendicular to each other, or we can say that when electric field comes in contact with magnetic field or magnetic field comes in contact with electric field, then electromagnetic will be produced. Okay, electromagnetic wave will be produced. In the case of matter wave, we can say that in 1924, Sir de Broglie suggested that every moving particle associated with a wave, and such wave is called matter wave. So this is the introduction of electromagnetic wave and matter wave, and these are the basic difference between electromagnetic wave and matter wave. Thank you.